Understanding and using prepositions in English. Welcome to our prepositions training. Identify the meanings of in, on, and at. Use in, on, and at correctly in sentences. Differentiate between the usage of in, on, and at. Practice daily to improve English skills. Here are the meanings and uses of key prepositions. In equals inside, on equals on top, at equals exact place. How to use. Use in for enclosed spaces, on for surfaces, and at for specific points. Action. Practice using these prepositions in sentences. Common errors often occur with prepositions. Avoid confusion. Pay close attention to context when using prepositions. Action. Review sentences where you might confuse in, on, and at. Now let's check our understanding with some scenarios. Describe your living room. Where's the sofa? Describe location. Use in the room or on the rug. Your action should be: practice saying where items are located. How would you give directions to a friend? Use prepositions. Instruct using take a right at the corner. If the answer is clear, practice giving and following directions using prepositions. In means inside, on means on top, at refers to an exact place. Practice using prepositions daily. Correct usage of prepositions enhances clarity in communication. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for participating in our prepositions training.